Hello. Today we'll walk through how to create and manage a request and work order, start to finish, right from your mobile device. Whether you're a facility manager, technician, or vendor, Nakisa makes it simple to stay on top of every task, wherever you are. My name is Fadi. I'm a facility technician. I'm responsible for carrying out maintenance work, resolving issues, and managing work orders to keep the facility safe and operational. As a facility technician, I need to be able to access my work using a mobile device since I will be performing my duties in the field. I'll start by showing you how to create a request, then how to manage a request, and finally how to manage a work order, all on a mobile device. Let's start by creating a request. When an issue arises at the facility, I begin by creating a request to notify the team that an investigation is needed. To create a request, first I need to access Nakisa Facility Management on my mobile device. From the main menu, I will select My Requests. Here I can see all the requests that have been assigned to me. To create a new request, I'll click Create. In the Create pop-up, I'll enter the name, request category, and severity. Once all the information is entered, I click Create. Now that the request has been created, I can enhance it in the Definition tab by adding further details about the incident or issue. This additional context is crucial for understanding the problem and determining whether a work order is necessary. First, I need to select the asset experiencing the issue. After I add the asset, I can enter more descriptive information about the request if necessary. After entering all the information for the request, I can enhance my details with images. To do this, I'll click on the Images tab. To upload an image, click the plus icon and select the desired image from your mobile device. Once I have attached all the necessary images, I can assign the request for review in the Definition tab. From the Definition tab, I select a user in the assignee field. This person will be responsible for investigating this request. Now that my request has been created, it needs to be managed. Now let's manage a request. Once a request has been created, triaged, and assigned, it needs to be reviewed to determine if a work order is needed to address the issue. To begin the investigation, I will select the request from my list of assigned tasks. While performing the investigation, I can update the request details if necessary. I can also enter my findings in the comments section. After I complete my investigation, I leave comments about my findings and if a work order is needed. In this case, a work order is needed to correct the issue. Now let's manage a work order. Managing a work order requires me to update the task status, log time spent, add relevant notes or photos, and record the parts used, ensuring precise tracking and documentation in real time. Once I've created a work order, I can easily access it on my mobile device. I simply navigate to the main menu and select My Work Orders. Here I can see work orders assigned to me, including any in progress or upcoming. I select the work order I want to work on. In the work order, I see all the relevant information to complete my task, including the work location and due date. When I begin my work, I update the status from Open to In Progress. I can also use the tab menu to view any relevant documentation, upload images, and leave comments about the work order. Once I complete my work, I will input the necessary cost information. Next, I will update the work order status to complete. With this step done, I'm ready to move on to my next task. And that's it. You've now seen how simple it is to create and manage requests as well as manage work orders right from your mobile device using Nakisa Facility Management. Whether it's reporting an issue, tracking progress, or updating status, everything you need is at your fingertips.